What's up, oh you crazy box breaking, card collecting football fans? This is Scott from liveboxbreaks.com. We're coming in at 9 p.m. Eastern, 8 p.m. Central here in Wisconsin. Two breaks for you tonight. We'll start off with the 2013 Bowman Sterling. Going to be 32 names, one team per spot. And we'll copy that list, randomize it 5 times. Here's number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We'll copy that list and paste it against the list of teams in alphabetical order. And here is the roster for the Bowman Sterling. And here is the box for tonight. No box topper in this one. Alright, we'll go ahead and we'll figure it out. For the Chiefs, Jamal Charles, Justin Hunter, and Marquise Goodwin, rookie refractor, 2/25. Bill's going to Dave. Another one for you, Dave. Robert Woods, rookie auto patch, 75/166. And for the Cardinals, Andre Ellington, 242/1214. Cardinals going to Tad. Le'Veon Bell, rookie. Mike Glennon, rookie. And Brandon Marshall. Rookie autograph for the Jets, D. Milliner. Jets going to Therese. And a rookie patch for the Cowboys, Joseph Randall, 186/1214. Going to Robert R. Cardinals rookie Andre Ellington, Broncos rookie Zach Dysert, and Broncos refractor Peyton Manning, 18/25. That'll be his jersey number, going to Ashley D. Rookie black refractor, autograph for the Cardinals, Stephen Taylor, 37/50. Going to Tad. And a rookie patch for the Dolphins, Deion Jordan, 104/1214. Going to James N. Cam Newton, Tom Brady, rookie refractor for the Colts, Kerwin Williams. Colts going to James N. And a rookie autograph 2-color patch, Christine Michael for the Seahawks, 28 out of 55. Seahawks going to Mo. And a rookie patch for the Vikings, Cordero Patterson, 34 out of 1206, going to Mo. Aaron Millette, rookie, Matt Ryan. And Niall Davis, rookie Blue Wave Refractor, 2 out of 99. Chiefs going to Mo. Rookie auto for the Lions, Ezekiel Ansah. Another one for you, Mo. And a rookie patch for the Chiefs, Niall Davis, 109 out of 1214. Going to Mo. Jonathan Franklin, rookie. Christine Michael, rookie. And a Corey Fuller, rookie. Rookie autograph for the Panthers, Kenyon Barner. Panthers going to Ted. And a rookie Blue Wave Refractor patch for the Titans, Justin Hunter. 72 out of 99. Going to Dave. That'll do it for the Bowman Sterling. Up next, we have the Prominence. Going to be 8 names. Everybody is going to get their own division. We'll randomize it 5 times. Here's number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And we'll copy the results, paste it against the list we have on our website. And here is the box of Prominence. Pelicans, Michael Turner to 897. Broncos, Peyton Manning to 897. Chargers, Antonio Gates to 897. Legend for the Bucks, Mike Allstott to 897. Legend for the Bears, Mark Carrier to 897. Illustrious signatures of Frank Gifford. That one going to the Giants. So Ashley, you'll be getting that one. And then a short print, 29 out of 30. Up next, we have a redemption. We'll save that for the end. We have a Colts, Kobe Fleener, rookie jumbo patch. Colts going to Mo. Numbered 87 out of 299. And the redemption is going to the Panthers. Joe Adams, rookie helmet signature. Panthers going to Ashley. And that will do it for the Sunday night breaks. We're back at it tomorrow with a 3-box football break. Take a look, grab a spot, and we'll see you tomorrow night.